work on logical NOT operator. In last video, we we wrote a program using logical OR operator. So in this video, we are going to learn logical NOT operator. First of all, we are going to write a simple program, fine, using logical NOT operator. So here, what should be the program? Let's suppose program that inputs a number and display whether it is even or odd. Fine. So as usual, we need to include include IOStream, and then using namespace std, and here the main function. Fine. What we are going to do, we are going to declare an integer variable, because we are dealing in this program, we are dealing with numbers. That's why we need to declare an integer variable. Remember, we need not to declare a character variable, because that is used for when we are dealing with any character, because it is clearly been stated in the statement that inputs a number. So that's why we need to declare this integer variable. Now, before taking input, let's try to print a simple message. Please enter any number and line, and then in. After this, okay, if the normal way, if we want to print an even number, then for that we have this condition: if in, because n will be entered by the user, any number will be entered by the user, if that is exactly divisible by 2, then that would be considered as even number. Fine. Or if this condition is false, then else part would be executed. That is the normal way of using or of printing any even number. But here we are using NOT operator, and we discussed that basically NOT operator is used to reverse the result of a condition. For example, it produces true result if the condition is false. Now it produces false result if the condition is true. So that's why we are going to use NOT operator. And the symbol that we use for NOT operator is you have to use parenthesis and then this exclamatory sign. So let's try to use this in our program. If not in modulus 2, that's equal to 0. If this is not the case, if this condition is not true, then you need to print this statement: you entered an odd number, else you entered an even number. So this is our program, and we have completed our program. So let's try to run this program. But before running this program, let me add some space for the readability. Okay, now it's going to take input from the user. Remember that user will provide a value. Let's suppose this 4. Now, according to this, because this 4 is even number, fine, that's why 4 modulus 2, that's equal to 0. The condition is true, but here we have used NOT operator. That's why this would not be executed and the control will transfer to the else part. Fine, because it is even number. Now let's try to run this program one more time, and this time we're going to input 5, because 5 is odd number. That's why 5 modulus 2, that is not exactly divisible by 0. And remember, this condition is false. According to according to this program and according to the input we have provided, this is false, but not will make it true, and that's why this statement will be executed. You can see you entered an odd number. It is because of the logical NOT operator. I hope that you have learned the concept of all these three types of logical operators.